Last week, Kersey's newest police officer donned the badge. Zacheria Hahn's law enforcement career began more than 20 years ago, and now he's the town's new school resource officer. But his background raises questions. Documents obtained by 9 News Investigates show he was charged with drinking and driving with a child in his car in 2010. He told Louisville police officers he was a cop, though he later acknowledged he'd recently resigned from the Frederick PD. He pleaded guilty to driving while ability impaired, and a child abuse charge was dismissed.
If all there was on Officer Hahn was a DUI from 15 years ago, that's really not a warning flag. People make mistakes and they learn from them.
But 9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says it can't be looked at in a vacuum.
You have to consider what happened thereafter.
What happened thereafter, according to state records, is that Hahn was terminated for cause from the Severance Police Department last March, then resigned while under investigation from the Alt PD in January. When he applied in Kersey, Hahn accused Severance officials of discriminating against him and violating his rights for personal agendas. As for Alt, he wrote that he wanted a new position to better use my training and experience. Robinson said Hahn's past could come into question if he writes a ticket or makes an arrest and is called on to testify in court. Some judges wouldn't allow that type of evidence. But
there's certainly a potential for questioning this officer's credibility on the witness stand, and no defense attorney is going to turn that down without at least trying.
we did try to reach Officer Hahn today, sending a message through his Kersey email address. We have not heard back from him. In the meantime, we're working to obtain records from the Severance and Alt police departments that'll give us a better idea of what exactly happened at those two agencies. Reporting live in Kersey, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Yeah, and that's going to be critical information, Kevin, right? Because as pointed out in the story, people can make mistakes, but it's what happens after that, right?
Yeah, and these statements made on the state website are part of a police reform law that passed a few years ago that lets the public see if somebody is fired or if somebody leaves while they are under investigation.
All right, look forward to the rest of it. Kevin, thank you.